Hi everyone, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. Welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. My name is Gina Pike. I'm so happy that you're here today. Today we're going to be talking about giveaway number 2 of cleaning out my yarn room. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, please go back and watch the first video of the cleaning out my yarn room giveaway number 1, where I fully explain the condition of my yarn room and what I'm trying to do with these giveaways. So today, up for grabs, we have 5 different things that I pulled from my yarn room that I bought and I had a project in mind for. And then I realized I kind of changed my mind. But these are still beautiful skeins of yarn. And if you would like to win them, please read the rules in the description box below. Again, this is all sponsored by myself and my husband. It's not sponsored by any yarn company or YouTube or anybody else except for me and my husband. This giveaway will run from July the 7th to July the 15th. I will pick a winner on July the 15th at 11 Central Standard Time. I will do a video, pick a winner, do a video announcing the winner. One of the things I like to ask as well is that you must be a subscriber to my channel. And I need to be able to see that you're a subscriber to my channel. So your subscriptions need to be set to public. But if you guys ever have any questions about are my subscriptions set to public, email me. I'm happy to help. I'm happy to, I have a script I can send you if you do not think that your subscriptions are set to public. You basically have to look under the channels on your YouTube channel. Everybody has a YouTube channel. And if you cannot see all the people you're subscribed to, like little icons, then your subscriptions are not set to public and you need to change that. And I can email you something that will walk you through how to change your settings so that your subscriptions will be set to public. So, if you need to do that, do not hesitate. You do not have to have your subscription set to public the whole time. You can do it on the day that I do the giveaway, which is why I like to announce that I'm doing a giveaway. And these are things I have had in my yarn stash. I have stored them in a yarn room away from pets. We don't have any pets in our house at this time, and I try to also, there's no smoking in my home as well, just so you know. And let's see, let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing that I have up for grabs is a yarn that I absolutely love. This is Manos del Uruguay Fino yarn. Now the ball band is missing off of the labels are missing off of these because I was going to wind them, but this is Manos del Uruguay Fino yarn. That is 70% wool, 30% silk. This yarn has amazing stitch definition. Now this is the same yarn that I'm using for my Japanese sampler scarf, and I used for my Advent Christmas scarf in December, the gray yarn, and I also used a lot of it in the Ultimate Advent Stash Buster shawl because I had a lot of these little mini skeins of it. So it is amazing yarn, very soft. And it is, this color is called Pocket Watch. There's 3 skeins of this yarn. This is the first, and each skein I believe has 490 yards. So this is almost 1,500 yards, not quite. So this is the first offering. If you are interested in winning this yarn, put down in the comments below Fino, F-I-N-O, Fino. Alright, number 1. That was number 1. Number 2 is some DK yarn that I have. It's these 3 skeins. These are skeins of yarn from Olin Mills out of Ireland. And 2 of these skeins are the same color. These 2 skeins are the same color. This is DK weight. It's let's see, let me read it. It's 225 meters 100-gram skeins. It's 100% superwash merino, and this is the same kind of yarn. It's just a little bit different colorway, but they go very well together. I was going to use all three together in a project and kind of alternate this skein in the middle of these other two. These two colors are called Messiah. Really pretty pinks. And then this color is called Rice Puffin. So I thought they went very well together. Again, they're the same company, same yarn base, really close in colors. So these three skeins are all up for grabs. That's the second one. And for the word, if you're interested in winning these, put the word Olin, O-L-A-N-N, Olin. Okay. Now, if you're interested in winning all of these, just make sure you include each one of the words for each grouping. And you can pick the ones that you want to win. If you only want to enter for one, put that word down in the comments below. The next skein of yarn I have is this skein here. This is a skein from Lichen and Lace. This is 1-ply superwash merino fingering weight yarn. It's 100% superwash merino, 100 grams, 400 yards. The color is called Wildflowers. And these are the colors in it. It's got greens and pinks and some purple, light lilac. It's a really pretty skein of yarn. Maybe I should have taken the band off so you guys can see it better. But that's what it looks like. So that's the third offering. And for the word, we'll put lichen, L-I-C-H-E-N. That will be the word, not lichen and lace, just lichen for this one. Okay. All right. The fourth offering is some yarn that I had I had it in a giveaway, but nobody picked it. But it's beautiful yarn. This is Red Heart Roll With It Tweed yarn. In this colorway, let's see, this is 100% acrylic worsted weight yarn. Let me hold it want close up so you guys can see it while I'm talking about it. I have another skein over here. I have 5 skeins of this yarn. 5. Now, it's worsted weight. It is 100% acrylic, 150 gram skein. This skein is 296 yards. And the color of this is called Pastel. So I have 5 skeins of this. I'm not going to hold all 5 skeins, and plus the other ones are in crinkly paper. But I have 5 skeins of this up for grabs for this next prize. So the word for these 5 skeins is pastel. And I will say, I know it's 100% acrylic, but it is really soft. I thought with the colors in this, it would be a really beautiful baby blanket, you know, because it's got pinks and blues, but still it's got the gender neutral colors with the greens and the yellows, and just really, really pretty colors. And they kind of remind me of a baby or spring, you know, very pretty yarn. So 5 skeins up for grabs. The word is pastel. All right, that's number 4. The last offering I have is another worsted weight yarn, and I have 5 skeins of this yarn. It looks like this. This is Plymouth Encore Colors. It's a worsted weight, 75% acrylic, 25% wool. Beautiful fall color yarn. Says it's 200 yards, 100 grams. And again, I have 5 skeins of this yarn. So that's what you'll get for this. This color is just a number. It's 7125. And it's all autumn colors like rust and orange and green. I was going to make, if I remember correctly, I was going to make some pumpkins out of it and maybe try to make some oh, what is that called when you string in your house for decoration? It's like a banner, but it's not, I can't think of the word, but that's what I was going to do with it, but then I just haven't gotten to it, so my loss is your gain. And oh, for the word for this, we'll put, let's see, how about encore? E-N-C-O-R-E, encore. That will be the word for these 5 skeins. So, those are the yarns for giveaway number 2 of cleaning out my yarn room. I hope that you have found something that you enjoy and would like to enter to win. And if you haven't, just hang on, because trust me, I have a lot more yarn. I have a lot more items. I think I need to get into the bulkier items, but I have more stuff coming. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new here, please go back and watch the first video that explains a little bit about why I'm doing this. And but if you also like to talk about knitting and crochet and yarn and projects and all that good stuff, we would love to have you join us. We would love to get to know you a little bit better. So hit that subscribe button and join our family. And participate in the giveaways with us. Share your projects with us and let us get to know you better. And if you are someone who's been here forever with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much. And these giveaways, you guys are the reason why I do that, to say thank you to you. And you are helping me clean out my yarn room. So thank you so much. I hope you have a lovely day. And I will see you all very, very soon. Take care.